Ain't it so hot nowadays?
Yes, it's hard to bear. Even sitting on a couch and relaxing is difficult.
I know, right? I just can't work due to excessive sweating.
Yeah, our school had to close for 2 weeks for this excessive heat.
Yeah, but that's good because I can't go to school like in this hot weather.
Yeah, but it is also hampering our study because the school are having a trouble finishing the syllabus.
Oh, that's true.
Yeah, and I can't go out of the house because the rays of the sun directly hit my skin and I'm suffering from terrible rash.
Oh, yeah, I'm also having a really bad tan.
That's true. And do you know, almost 20 people of our country died due to the ongoing heat wave the last month.
Oh my god, that's really bad.
Yeah, and do you know, the environment specialists say that the main reason behind heat wave is deforestation.
Oh yeah, the government should take like immediate steps to plant more trees.
Yes, now bye.
Okay, bye.
Sir, it's time for our fourth pair. Please call them.
Okay, the last pair, Sami, I think. Yeah, who is a partner?
Hello, Samim.
Hello, Nahian.
What's up?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine.
Do you know what I'm thinking just now?
No, what is the topic?
I'm thinking about after and before Corona in our school.
Oh, I see. Some of the days I also think about this topic.
That's crazy. Let's discuss about the topic.
Yeah, sure. Can you remember how was our school used to be before all this corona craziness?
Obviously, those were the days everything seemed so normal.
And the energy in the classroom was different too. The interaction between teachers and students was more dynamic.
Definitely. I felt like I learned better when I could actually talk face to face with my friends and my teachers.
Yeah, and remember how crowded the hallways used to be before all the corona?
Yes. So what did you observe when the school first opened after Corona?
After corona, our school opened 2 years ago. Everything was very, very quiet then.
The hallways felt like deserts.
And the cafeteria was practically empty compared to before. It seemed like a host house.
Now I should go my home. If I don't go now, my mother will scold me.
Okay, bye. Let's see you later.